Hello students, welcome back to class. We're continuing to study about the to be verbs, singular and plural, and now present and past tense, okay? Singular, akavachana, plural, vachana, present, bachbanakal, past, atirikal. Okay, so you see the chart. Pronoun, pronoun, I, he, she, it, we, they, you. Present tense, present tense, present, some lang T, present tense, so some lang S, present tense. Am, is, are. Okay, past tense, past, st, past, man men past. Nhưng trao lưu, some lang, consonant, chẳng krab mam pat ne piet na mui mui, viết chậm back, trao lưu, so some lang. Past tense, past tense. Okay, was, nang were. This is for the to be verb, the to be verbs. The noun, noun, reading, walking, running, talking, studying, looking, laughing. Okay, so pronoun, present tense, past tense, noun. Okay, I am reading. I'm reading. He is walking. He's walking. She is running. She's running. It is talking. It's talking. We are studying. We're studying. They are looking. They're looking. You are laughing. You're laughing. Sumrap past tense. Yung pra was. Sumrap I, he, she, it. Yung pra were. Sumrap we, they, are. Yung kanta we, they, are kuchia plural pronouns. Are kuchia present tense plural verb. Was kuchia present tense. Somto was kuchia past tense for singular. Were kuchia past tense for plural. You see? Okay, so ni itam lokru umpi pi atirikal. Samrap to be verb. I was reading. He was reading. She was running. It was talking. We were studying. They were looking. You were laughing. Okay, so marang tiết thing off. So you mean pronoun, singular and plural pronouns. You mean singular and plural present tense verbs, singular and plural past tense verbs. Okay, so som ni ye tam lo kru merl ekran hay som ni ye tam lo kru. I am reading. I'm reading. I was reading. He is walking. He's walking. He was walking. She is running. She's running. She was running. It is talking. It's talking. It was talking. We are studying. We're studying. We were studying. They are looking. They're looking. They were looking. You are laughing. You're laughing. You were laughing. OK លោកគ្រូសង្ឃឹមថានេះមេរៀននេះជួយលោកអ្នកបងប្អូនជាសិស្សរបស់លោកគ្រូដើម្បីស្គាល់មួយដើម្បីស្គាល់ to be verbs ដើម្បីស្គាល់ past tense ដើម្បីស្គាល់ present tense ដើម្បីស្គាល់ singular និង plural នេះគឺជាបញ្ហាមួយទូទៅសម្រាប់សិស្សខ្មែរដែលរៀនភាសាអង់គ្លេសដូច្នេះសូមមើលនិងហាត់និយាយសត្រូវនិយាយកុំភ្លេចដើម្បីនិយាយភាសាអង់គ្លេសយន្តរនិយាយភាសាអង់គ្លេស So I hope you practice this and you study this and you watch the video many times until you can do it until you know it រៀនរហូតដល់ចេះ Remember, to speak English, you must speak English.